America has the world's largest war power. Before continuing the video, if you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe to our channel. In order to keep America's military power in the first place, it makes huge investments in the military field and constantly develops new technologies and brings the defense industry to the highest point. Unlike China and India, the population of America is expected to increase without decreasing over the next century and reach over 400 million in 2067. The current population of America is 341.5 million. We will start with naval forces, then we will look at air and land forces, and finally we will talk about nuclear power and nuclear weapons. Naval forces. The primary purpose of naval forces is to intercept threats from the sea with high-tech, long-range weapons and to support air and land operational forces fighting in forward areas with high-tech, long-range weapons. The U.S. Navy has 472 ships, including 75 destroyers, 64 submarines, 23 corvettes, 11 aircraft carriers, 9 helicopter carriers, 8 mine warfare ships, and 5 patrol ships. Aircraft carriers are very important to the United States, and it is devoting a lot of money to their further development. As a result, it has the largest aircraft carriers in the world and more aircraft carriers than all the countries in the world combined. These aircraft carriers, together with state-of-the-art fighter aircraft, provide great power and a great advantage in war, as well as a deterrent. Submarines are one of the most effective military equipment developed throughout history. Submarines are one of the United States' most important forces at sea. Submarines, the most advanced and powerful means of warfare after aircraft carriers, provide the ability to destroy land and sea elements at long distances. Air Force.
Report targeted broad 250, 20 miles, 5,000 low.
Air power is the most important element in warfare because control of airspace is crucial. The U.S. has very advanced technology in this area. The U.S. military has 24,647 aircraft, including more than 10,000 unmanned aerial vehicles, 912 attack aircraft, 1,858 fighter jets, 2,656 training aircraft, 700 special mission aircraft, 1,002 transport aircraft, 606 tanker squadrons, 5,813 helicopters, 1,100 attack helicopters. Unmanned, armed and unarmed aerial vehicles, fighter jets and attack helicopters play an important role in the Air Force and can change the course of wars. The United States has made significant technological advances in the field of aircraft and is investing heavily in this area. Their missions include bombing and destroying targets in the air, on water, and on land, and carrying out reconnaissance missions. Land forces. The U.S. Army has 230,000 military personnel, of which 130,000 are active and 800,000 are reservists. The U.S. has around 1,000 bases around the world and is the only country in the world with around 200,000 military personnel outside its borders. This allows it to conduct military operations very quickly almost anywhere in the world. This gives the U.S. great advantages in warfare. In total, America has more than 6,400 tanks, 2,800 towed guns, 1,600 self-propelled guns, and 1,450 rocket launchers. Tanks are the main force in the ground forces. The M1A2 Abrams, with the strongest armor and technology, is the Army's main battle tank. The U.S. knows that war technology and weapons are of great importance. That is why it is constantly producing and increasing its weapons. More important than these numbers is technology. Because the U.S. knows this, it constantly invests in technological development and develops new, innovative weapons. As a price for this, it allocated $831.78 billion for the defense budget in 2024. The U.S. has become the world leader as it increases its defense budget every year. Nuclear power. Nuclear weapons are used to do more damage than any other weapon of war. A single nuclear weapon has the power to completely destroy a city or a country. That is why we hope that nuclear weapons will never be used anywhere in the world. Nuclear weapons were created as a deterrent. The United States has a total of 5,528 nuclear ballistic warheads. America and Russia are the most powerful nuclear powers in the world. In this video, we examined the military power of the United States of America, which is #1 in the military field. If you like this kind of military videos and military technologies, you can subscribe to our channel. If there is another country or another topic you want us to review, please indicate in the comments. See you in other videos.